gonna be removing all these tack strips that you see back here. The next thing I'm gonna do is scrape the floor and get up any additional staples that I didn't get before. I've gone out to my car literally 3 times to get the same thing, and I've come back in with different things every time. It's going great. There it is, amongst, you know, my son's mini tool belt set. There's my crowbar. Let's get down to business. You know what's cool? Is when you use your 6-year-old's tool belt that your friends bought him for his 6th birthday. Baby hammer, baby crowbar. Let's do this thing. Or not. Just gotta, you know, find a sweet spot. Just get under each one of those nails. Almost. I think you guys know what this nail is being. Okay, in this case, bigger is better. It's called a Wonder Bar, okay? Whatever. These are also good for taking up any of the staples off your floor. I'll show you. Like that. Probably best to go from the angle. I have a chisel poking in my stomach. Oh no, that's a crowbar. Okay, what are we gonna do about this screw that's sticking up through the floor? I died! Ew, Nutty, cut it out. Just kidding. It has a different. So we gotta find a new bit. Nailed it. Good thing I have a double drill pack. Battery pack, I mean. You know? All right, now let's go find it. And it's like maybe, I don't know, 2 feet from the exterior wall. I hope I didn't hit like a vent or a pipe or something. Okay, now one would think that it would be somewhere around. Is that it? No. I found it! Oh, and it's right there. No wonder that's sticking up through my floor. It's holding this pipe. I'm moving that. I'm gonna move that. I mean, like, why does that metal bracket need to be right there on my floor? Why can't it just be, you know, I don't know, tied to that rafter or something? Let's do it. It's gone. And now we'll take the test screw out. Easy peasy. Wait. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh, seriously? Oh, Nutty. I cannot do a rubber band because I don't have one. I know this is not proper to do, but I don't know what else to do. I mean, like, maybe if I did it like this, it would help it or something? Oh, dang! I'm gonna have a big ass hole in my floor because I'm just gonna cover it with flooring anyway. Who cares? What? I tried to solve a problem, I created another problem, and then I created a solution. It may not be the right one, but you know what? It's out. That's all I care about. If I find one more of those little buttholes, I'm gonna lose it. Have a great night.